Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make simple ice cream. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are very cold. Chilling them for at least 15 minutes helps create a smoother texture. Also, have a freezer-safe container ready for your delicious treat. Now, let's create our ice cream base. Pour the 2 cups of chilled heavy cream into your cold mixing bowl. Add the half cup of granulated sugar. Using an electric mixer, whip the mixture on medium-high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens and forms soft peaks. Finally, gently fold in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout the cream. Once your ice cream base is ready, it's time for the freezing process. Carefully spoon the entire mixture into your chosen freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent any ice crystals from forming, which can affect the texture. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight, until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. After patiently waiting, your homemade simple ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Dish out generous portions into your favorite bowls or cones. Add any toppings you love, like fresh berries, sprinkles, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Enjoy your delicious, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.